Welcome to JLM University. My name is Alex. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair all the accessories to the PowerPole Move ZR. First, we're going to start with the hybrid remote. We're going to press the left and right steering simultaneously to open a pairing window. Make sure that when you press the left and right steering, you're holding the remote close to the PowerPole Move ZR. You will know the pairing window has been opened when you see the flashing teal lights on the nav head and hear an audible tone. While the pairing window is open, simply press and release both the PowerPole up and down button at the same time. You will hear a tone confirming that the remote has been paired. Next, we are going to pair our foot switches. Once again, open the pairing window by pressing the left and right steering buttons simultaneously on the hybrid remote, and then simply press the foot switch one time. You will then hear a tone confirming that the switch is now paired, and you will repeat this process for each foot switch. Be sure to hold the remote close to the trolling motor while opening the pairing window. Now we are going to pair the Real Feel foot pedal to the PowerPole Move ZR. In order to do this, you are going to need a magnet and your hybrid remote. Place the magnet on the left side of the foot pedal. You will now hear a tone and the foot pedal start to count down. During the countdown, press and release the left and right steering on your hybrid remote. You will then hear a tone confirming the foot pedal is now paired. And finally, we are going to pair the display to the Move. Start by waving the pairing magnet over the display. When the display flashes, simply press the left and right steering on the remote. And you will hear a confirmation tone, and now your display is paired. And that is how you pair your accessories to the PowerPole Move ZR. Thank you for watching.